My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam coming from the site Aughableleade.xyz. So this is a deceptive site that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to trick its visitors into clicking on this special allow button, supposedly to help people continue their browsing. The point is that it's a deception to click on that button. If people mistakenly do that, if they click on allow, they may be redirected to some other questionable sites. Also, pretty soon people would start receiving a lot of pop-up advertisements attacking the screen from time to time. So, in case the allow button was mistakenly clicked, do the following. First of all, access the menu, go to settings, choose privacy and security, then site settings. In permissions area, choose notifications and carefully research the websites allowed to send notifications. You need to remove all these junk sites from the list, and this will help you to fix your browser-related issues. Finally, I recommend researching the computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.